Hey, what's up, people? This is your boy Chetan here from Geekgasm.in. Today, we are going to take a look at how to buy cryptocurrency on WazirX. So, let's get started. So, in the previous video, we talked about how to open an account on WazirX. If you haven't watched that, please watch it. The link is in the description. So, after opening an account, you'll find this page, and right now we are in exchange tab, which is the main window of it. You'll find all of the market pairs available here. So basically there are two ways that you can deposit, not two ways actually. You can deposit two currencies in your account, which is Indian rupees and the other is US dollar tether. So first of all, we'll take a look at how to put some Indian rupees into our wallet. So for that, we'll head on to funds and then we'll click deposit on rupee. If you click rupee, you'll find these two options: instant deposit and standard deposit. Now, sorry. So standard deposit is nothing but you can send your money to the wallet using IMPS, RTGS, NEFT or UPI as well. This does not take, there's no fee applicable for this. On the other hand, for instant deposits, there is a transaction fee of 5.9 rupees per transaction and the minimum deposit amount is 100 rupees. The UPI apps are not supported for instant deposit. Actually, currently both of them are not working properly, but still I'll show a little bit of instant deposit. So for instant deposit, what you'll do is when you click on it, you'll get the bank details of the exchange. So let me pull my mobile phone real quick here. Okay, so what we'll do is we already have, you can see on the screen the bank account details of the exchange account. So we have to set the money to that account. So what we'll do is we'll open PhonePe application. So what we'll do is we'll open this PhonePe account here, and then let us go to account, and we'll add a bank account here, ICICI Bank. You'll enter all of the details mentioned right there on the screen. I have already loaded, I've already saved this account under the name WazirX. So we'll just click that. And then, so the important thing to consider here is you have to send the money from your registered bank account. So while creating an account, you will have connected your bank account to the exchange. So you have to send the money from that bank account itself, otherwise the money won't get deposited. Now there's nothing to worry about here if you send it to some other bank account. So in that case, what will happen is your money will be instantly reverted back to your account. Believe me, it has happened to me 2 or 3 times, but the money was instantly credited back. Right now both of them are not working, so I'll not be using this function to show you guys. So the other way of crediting your wallet here is by depositing US dollar tether, and the only way to do that is through P2P. That's peer-to-peer market. So on WazirX you have something called P2P, where so if you want to buy some US dollar tether, what you have to do is you will create a buy order here. So right now what I want to do is I have to suppose buy 130. No, let me put it as 10,000 here. So I want 10,000 rupees equivalent US dollar tether, which is 130.99 at the price of 76.34. So what I'll do is I'll create a buy order here. While our order is matched, I'll tell you what P2P is. Okay, so how this works is our order is matched for a seller right now. So what happens is, there's a buyer, there's a seller, and there's exchange in between, which is WazirX. So if I have to buy 130 US dollars, then I am matched with the respective seller, and the amount is locked in from the seller. That is, $130 are kept aside, and WazirX locks that amount so that seller can't give it to someone else or trade it. So after doing that, WazirX gives us the banking details of the seller, and we have to send the amount to him or her. After the seller confirms that they have received the order, the US dollar teller is released from their account and it is given to us. So it is peer-to-peer exchange. Okay, so we'll click on IMPS, and after we confirm, we have to pay it within 60 minutes. If we don't, then there's a cancellation charge, 10 US dollars or 1.2%, whichever is higher. So we'll click the confirmation that we want to pay. Okay, so as you can see, I have sent the money to the seller, and I'm waiting for the confirmation. Okay, so now as you can see, my buy order for 131 US dollars is complete. So I'll just head on back and let us purchase some Ethereum today. Putting a buy order for $401. Let us use okay, so we'll be purchasing Ethereum worth $128 today. Let me place a buy order for it. Have an order placed for Ethereum here under open order section, 0.319 Ethereum at a price of $401. As soon as $401 is price is hit, our order will be executed. So besides buying here, you can actually buy on n number of exchanges. You can't link your bank account to exchanges outside of India. So for that, what you have to do is, you can purchase a cryptocurrency here in the Indian exchange, and then you can transfer those cryptocurrencies to the exchange where you want to buy any other coins or something. In the funds, you can see we have 10 XRPs. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to be opening my Binance account. I'm going to deposit XRP into my crypto wallet, and as you can see, I have the XRP address and the XRP tag. You copy this public ID, and then we'll be withdrawing this. We'll click on withdraw, and we'll withdraw all of our XRP into Binance. Destination address, we just copied it, and we'll copy the tag as well, and we'll paste it here. The marks 10.5. So we'll proceed with the withdrawal. This will take, okay, I forgot that the minimum withdrawal balance for XRP is 22 XRPs from WazirX.